Hello, World Wide Web. This is Taylor at Kelly's Port with a brand new Bennington. I've got a 24 MSB. That's a swingback. That's an M. That's 24 foot. Color on this is going to be blue and white. One of my faves. Nice clean color combination there. These 24 M's have been a very popular boat. Very popular. For power, we got a Yamaha 250 horsepower. Did a few with the 150s, did a few with the 200s, did a few with the 250s. That's the big dog. Take you up the nice LilliPad ladder here, take you through the inside, and this is a 2027. You got the retractable rail keeper down here in the back. Swing back that folds front, forward, and backwards. Twin captain seats, his and hers. You look at the back there. Ski rack, side door. Nice drawer, table, trash can combo. Bennington screen there in the center with your radio and your switches on the left. Mechanical throttle power, hydraulic assist on the steering. Then the nice furniture combos that these M's have. Again, this is a 2027 Bennington 24 MSB. Up at the showroom. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop by. My name's Taylor. Thanks for your time.